Picture this: you're rolling down the highway in something so massive, so mean-looking, that traffic strut moves out of your way before you even hit the horn. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a rolling flex, a highway king, a mansion on wheels. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're diving deep into the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, a rig that takes old school truck muscle and turns it into a luxury road beast that doesn't play around. Right off the bat, the exterior is pure intimidation in the best way possible. The Kenworth W1250 keeps that classic longest American semi-truck vibe. With a stretched hood, massive chrome grille, and those iconic round headlights that scream vintage trucking glory, this thing looks like it was built to haul mountains. But instead, it's hauling straight luxury. The paint options are wild too. From deep metallic blacks and midnight blues to bold custom two-tone finishes that sparkle under the sun, you've got massive fuel tanks, polished side steps, and custom storage compartments seamlessly built into the body, making it both functional and flashy. The rear is clean and squared off, designed to house the living quarters without ruining that tough, industrial look. Everywhere you look, it's beefy, bold, and unapologetically American. Step inside the cockpit, and yeah, this is where truck meets tech. The driver's area feels like a high-end command center. You're sitting up high in premium leather air-ride seats that keep you comfy, even on marathon road trips. The dashboard is loaded with digital displays, showing everything from navigation to engine data, but it still keeps that classic Kenworth layout that truck lovers appreciate. The steering wheel is thick, wrapped in leather, and feels solid in your hands. You've got modern infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium sound, and enough buttons and switches to make you feel like you're piloting something serious. Visibility is insane, and once you're in that seat, you feel unstoppable. Now, let's talk about the living area, because this is where things really go next level. Walk back from the cockpit, and the vibe completely changes from hardcore truck to luxury lounge. The interior design is clean, upscale, and surprisingly cozy for something this massive. You're getting high-end materials everywhere, so Panazor, wood, or carbon fiber accents, depending on the build, and ambient LED lighting that sets the mood day or night. The seating area features plush sofas, often with power recline, facing a massive flat-screen TV with a premium surround sound system. This isn't just for chilling. It's perfect for movie nights, game days, or just kicking back after a long doctor. The kitchen area is straight up impressive. You've got solid surface countertops, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and plenty of cabinet space that doesn't feel cheap or cramped. Everything is laid out smart, so you can actually cook real meals instead of just reheating leftovers. The finishes feel premium, and the lighting makes it look like something out of a high-end condo rather than a vehicle. Whether you're parked at a campground or off-grid in the middle of nowhere, this kitchen's got your back. Move into the bedroom area, and yeah, it's pure comfort. The bed is full-size or even king-size in some builds, with a proper mattress that doesn't feel like an afterthought. There's storage everywhere, overhead cabinets, closets, and hidden compartments so you can bring all your gear without turning the place into a mess. The lighting is soft and relaxing, and the sound insulation is so good, you'll forget you're sleeping inside a semi-truck. It's quiet, comfortable, and honestly kind of addictive. Performance-wise, the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is an absolute monster. Under that long hood, you're usually looking at a big boy diesel engine, often a Cummins X15, or similar powerhouse, pushing out serious torque that makes towing a breeze. This rig doesn't struggle, it dominates. Whether you're climbing steep grades or cruising long highways, it stays smooth and confident. The automatic transmission is tuned for comfort and control, and, despite the size, it drives surprisingly well thanks to advanced suspension and stability systems. Yeah, it's huge, but once you get used to it, it feels planted and solid. Not sketchy. Now let's talk money, because yeah, this ain't cheap. The 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome typically starts in the high six-figure range. And depending on customization, luxury upgrades, and tech packages, it can easily climb into seven figures. But here's the thing, you're not just buying an RV, you're buying a fully custom luxury home on a commercial-grade truck platform that's built to last forever. For folks who want the biggest, baddest motorhome on the road, the price kind of makes sense. So, wrapping this up, the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is not for the faint of heart. It's massive, bold, and ridiculously luxurious, blending old-school trucking heritage with modern high-end living. If you want a motorhome that turns heads, crushes miles, and makes every trip feel legendary, this thing is hard to beat. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to St. Reviews Hub for more insane motorhome content, and drop a comment telling me if you'd actually drive this beast cross country. Until next time, stay rolling, and I'll catch you on the next one.